This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the image. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and running the current iOS for compatibility. Open Photos and navigate to the album that contains the picture you want. This saves time. Once you've found it, tap the photo to view full screen, then tap the share icon at the lower left. This reveals options you'll use next. Make sure to take this first set of taps calmly, because correct selection determines what appears on your display photo. Once the share sheet appears, choose Use as Wallpaper, or if you prefer, tap Edit first to crop and enhance. You should know why editing fixes composition before it becomes permanent. Pinch to zoom and drag to position. Toggle perspective zoom or live photo effects if desired, because these change movement and framing. When the image looks right, tap Set. Then pick whether it applies to lock screen, home screen, or both. Each choice affects where you'll see the photo, so choose deliberately. After tapping Set, immediately check your lock screen and home screen to verify the placement and clarity. This confirms success. If the image looks blurry or cropped oddly, re-edit using a higher resolution crop or rotate the photo to change composition, because resolution and orientation affect clarity. If the wallpaper doesn't update, force close photos or restart the iPhone. Make sure to sign out of iCloud Photos only if syncing issues persist, because that has broader effects on your library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.